It began with the clouds folding into gray. The air had that scent of promises on the way. You laughed when the drops touched your cheek, and I forgot the reason I'd been feeling weak. We didn't run for shelter, we just stayed. Water tracing lines the sunlight once made. The street around us turned into a silver stream, and you look like the answer to an unnamed dream. And no one else saw the way the sky bent down to listen to the sound of your voice right then. I could have stayed in that small piece of forever, between one raindrop and the next one together. Your hair was soaked, your hands were cold,